Yo, my people. We got another vlog going on. Today, I did not trade my personal account. None of that, but just because I didn't trade, don't mean there's not money to be made. You got money on business, you got money on all other aspects of life that you could be getting in. So don't let a non-trading that slow you down. Still go to work, still work on business on the side, your 5 to 9, if you're not your 9 to 5. So as we can see, we passing another funder right now. We at 52.8 right now, trying to get to that 53,000 flat. It's playing around right now, trying to see if it gives us that last little push. If not, I'm not too worried about it. Now my stop loss at break even. I want to see if we can hold and see if we can pass these accounts right here. I got about like 4 or 5 accounts. Alright, so before we start the chat, right, I have a Discord. Obviously, we have a free chat link down below, but we do have a premium side where we do weekly verses for the group chat, doing Bible study, scriptures, and stuff like that I do. I send out weekly analysis, telling y'all what I expect for the week, and I give intraday live trading analysis at the same time and live commentary. We do have the premium chat, real active, real nice. We got a lot of people in here, talking, and we are doing our shindig. We got losses and wins where this is the whole Reaper chat, right? Before I get into what I'm actually gonna teach y'all today or give y'all a glimpse of, right? So we're going here, right? This is the trade I took. I'm not gonna show y'all all the sauce, right? I'm just gonna give y'all the bare minimum because that wouldn't be fair to the people who are in the premium side that's actually, that's supporting. But if you would like to support, come in the chat, talk to me, and I will most definitely get you together, right? So if we look right here, we can see that I got these projections because agent session is expanding. Whenever agent session is expanding, you put the deviations over the whole session. Now it is other ways to do it, other ways that are more situational that you can learn. Once again, you can learn if you come join the chat. I have a pre-recorded course in there on deviations, everything I learned, everything I use, right? So as we can see, I have it marked out. We have our sell curve right here, right, going into the London session. So because agent session expanded, we are not expecting London to manipulate like it usually does. So as we look, we have a woman in the order block that we tap into. So we went long off of that order block. Stop loss at this protective low because the market, let me give y'all, the market moves in 3 phases, right? You have uptrend, consolidation, downtrend. Or you have downtrend, consolidation, uptrend. This is the cycles of the 2 market cycles that you got to pay attention to, right? So if we go back to the chat, go back to the setup. Obviously, we see we got the sell curve. We got the downtrend, accumulation, uptrend. So if you look, we tap into the order block. We then go to the 5-minute, right? Get our deviations from the 5-minute of the London to market structure shift. So this is the last. We got lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, new high. This is your market structure shift. Right? So I'm putting my deviations from this low to this high. I'm targeting the negative 2.5 deviation, and that's still giving me a 1 to 26 RR. Like, come on now. That's just the first setup. Mind you can go to, you don't have to sit up and watch this. You're going to sleep on this trade. And I'm just showing y'all the most simplest way to catch the low today. Right? My students caught the trade. We did a trade recap. I do weekly recaps, weekly analysis. If you do join the chat, you get 80% off with code welcome50. You come in there and join. But as you can see, that was low today. Or you could have caught the first fair value gap off of after the news. I will show y'all how I get the news projections, but once again, that wouldn't be fair to the premium people, right? So just come join premium and I will get you together for sure. Now, if you look into the Asian session range, as we can see, we have -2, -2.5 deviation, reversal inside another one, right? I'm not, once again, if you want to learn how to get this saucy, this, this specific area, come in the chat, I get you together. But we know that because we're chasing the -2, -2.5 of the daily range, we want to hold our buys. If we do get a buys until we get into this area, that's how we knew to hold from the low today from London, or I mean, the low of the next day, because this low the next day. Asian session counts as the day before. London counts as the new day after midnight. So as you can see, we was under midnight opening price. We shifted up, pulled back into an order block, and boom, we was out of there, right? So caught the low today. You could have held. News opened up. We wasn't scared because we had this PD array holding our entry down here. We was already, by the time news release, we was already up. What TP should have been hit because max expansion got hit. That's why we reversed off, right? News reacted off of the max expansion deviation from London perfectly. Everything respects deviations when you trading, right? So we pulled back down to the first value gap. You could have got your entry in these projections too. That would have told you where price is going to. And once again, if you want to learn, you can come join the chat. But this are the two simple setups that can cost you the low today, right? Deviations are very much fractal between the day, month, sessions, stuff like that. So, bro, yeah, it's like best entries come from a macro, as you can see. This is not inside of a macro. You got, yep, macro, 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 macro. So all your entries should come within a macro, bro. Let's see if we can look up the real 2 degrees. See, every trade is inside. Like the best trades come from macro, right? So that's what we're trying to target. Every single one of the trades came from macro. This trade right here, this buy, macro. This buy right here, macro. This buy, macro. Still caught the low today. So it's just a lot of things that I teach. I show my chat and I give to them that helps them in the long run. As you can see, we have all the students in here. Testimonials on testimonials on testimonials, right? Down here we got the mentee chat. If you would like to join the mentee chat, I'm doing a sale. Join the chat and text me or DM me personally and let me know, and I will hook you up. Or if you come join the free, you come join the regular chat. Use code welcome50 for 80% off. If you would like to join more, join the live trading session sometimes when I do more live commentary. And I will catch y'all in the next video. God bless, and I will see y'all later.